What's going on, guys? If you have the Samsung Galaxy line of mobile devices, you'll note there was a pretty significant UI update, 6.1 dash whatever, but this just happened overnight for me, July 8th, 2024. There's several changes, and you want to do several restarts with it regardless of what it tells you. Keep doing restarts to it until it completely finishes updating. One thing I found, like if I do Google Voice and I'm trying to do a voice to text, it used to be along the main, you can't really see what I'm pointing at, but under where it says type a message, there used to be the microphone button right there so that you could speak to the phone and it would, convert it into text. I do that while I'm driving most of the time. Well, it has moved down to the lower left corner. If you can see, far lower left, there's a little microphone down there. So yeah, touch that if you want to speak like this right here. It knows something else is using it. But yeah, there's where it is. But there's tons of new stuff on it. Just make sure you do multiple restarts of the phone, even if it tells you it is already updated. Just keep doing. I had to do at least 3 or 4 restarts, and then it was, it took away a lot of my. I have all kinds of icons, for websites I visit regularly. It took a lot of those away, so I'm having to redo some of them. But the main thing was the microphone for talk to text. Anyway, that's it. You'll have a good afternoon. Make sure you check out our channel. We got more than 2,000 videos that might help you, so check it out.